Hi guys, let me show you how to develop a report or dashboard like this. This is COVID-19 dashboard and built on a real stats. So I'll follow some steps which will help you to get exact data of COVID-19 uh, from December till date, and then I'll show you how to show visuals like this dashboard in Power BI. Let's start. Go to EU Open Data Portal and get COVID-19 cases worldwide data from download option. Click on download, you will get Excel file. Open this file and see what data is available in this file. Here you can see data date, day, month, year, cases, deaths. Actually these are the numbers where we summarize data. Then countries, and then geo ID hai. After that there is a country territory code, pop data 2018, and country continent extension. So I will just do some very little changes. Right here, date, day, month, year, cases, death, countries, geo ID, country code, and continent. Save this file, go to the Power BI, open a new Power BI desktop file. Right now I have no need to sign in, so I will close this. Here you will find a totally blank page of Power BI. First of all, import Excel file, which is downloaded in download folder. Let it to be synchronized and upload in the Power BI. So our data has been loaded in Power BI data model. Now I will start to create a dashboard. First of all, heading of this dashboard, I will create a text box. COVID-19 dashboard, or whatever you want to write here. Then change its size to 40. Align it in center, and if you desire to change color, you can do it. Now if I need to change color, I have to select from this option, place it at the top. The next step is, I would like to know how many cases are in my selection or nationwide. So first of all, I will create a slicer, or you can say a filter, and there is a continent option. I will add in the field option, and then it has been created as a tool. Move this tool at the top like this, and click on this option and convert it into drop down. Here it is. Then go to its setting area, and first of all go to the header and change its size so that it could be visible. And if you need to change background, you can select, and if no need to change, then it should be alright. After that, apply a border and item. So item color should be I think it should be red. Then there is no need of outline, but just change its size, and my recommendation is Arial bold so that it could be visible. Here now you can see Africa, America, Asia, Europe, and so on. So you can select any of your desired continent. Same like that, you need to create another slicer which will be shown, countries will shown in this slicer. So here is the list of countries. Again, click on this arrow, convert it into drop down, and go to items. Item color should be the same as previous. You can do it as per your desired and requirement. Change its size and Arial black. Now resize this tool and place it anywhere wherever you want. So our filters, our tools are ready now. Just make a border side. Now the next thing is I have to show number of cases. So I will click on this visual card, and then I'll put field cases in this visual card. Then I will resize this visual and place it here. Now you can change color of the label. For the instance, I will change it to the purple, and then size is okay, Arial black, and then what is the category? Category should be, I think I have to change it to red, and I will change its size as well. So now it is visible that 8 million cases are there in the world till date. Again, I will copy this visual, paste here, and now there are two visuals with same number. I will change this cases to that, and then I go to the field setting, and I will change something in data model. Let me see if I can convert it to that, and again category, I'll change it to purple. So two visuals have been created. You can see if I select America, so there are 4 million cases, 204k deaths, and if I select Africa, there are Africa, and if I uncheck all, then I will get worldwide number. My country is Pakistan, so I will check numbers in my country, and I can of Pakistan. Here it is. 144k cases till date and 2729 deaths. The next thing is I will draw a graph on where in axis I will put date and cases in the value. Now this is only for 2020, so I will remove year and quarter. I will get numbers, monthly numbers, month wise numbers. Place it near this one, and then month and center. There is no case in the month of December, so I will remove this from the selection. Select all. To change some colors of this visual, I will apply data labels. I'll change data label size. Let's see, it should be 14. Okay, right. Then I'll apply a border. I'll change color of the data points. In this case, I'll change it to purple. Copy this graph and again paste it. Then remove cases and put deaths in value option. Now I will change data color to red. There it is. Now I need to create trend line on day wise, so I will put a line chart, then I will update date in axis and cases in the value field. I will remove year, quarter and month. Then I'll change from date and to date, not date hierarchy, on date. So now I have to change some data labels option and so on. I will change data color to purple and I'll change it, put on the data labels, then I will apply border. Purple color. Copy this visual, paste here, drag under this one, remove cases, update depths in value, go to the settings, change data color to red, rest all will remain same. So here it is your required dashboard. You can have some changes like this and now if you filter, if you apply filter to your required continent or country, you will get all the graphs updated. Again, create another page, put a bar chart in it, and then you have to put countries in axis and cases in the value field. you will get a graph like this. Adjust this graph, go to the field setting, change color of data label, data color, and then put on data labels and what. Copy this, now I have copied this visual on the right side. Then I'll go to its settings, I'll change data color to red. Rest all the things will remain same. There it is. The next thing is I will summarize this data in continent. So I will put this graph and I'll put continent in axis and cases in the value. Go to settings, data color should be purple, and put on data labels and bottom. Copy this graph, paste here, and remove cases and update depth. Go to the settings, change data color to red. Now I will apply some more graph. Let's apply a donut chart over here and like this. Put the cases in the values and put the depths in the values. Go to the settings, data colors, cases are purple and depths are red. If you want to add some more visuals, you can do it, but I think for now it is okay. Copy this and paste here. COVID-19 dashboard. I think this is the right place for this. Very little different from the dashboard which I show you, but almost visuals are the same, filters are same, just places are changed, and this option will be used to clear filter. Check your country, check your continent, what are the daily ratios, what are the trends, how many deaths, how many cases are coming. Is your country going toward peak or it is declining now? Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.